All right, first grade, so you have finished your drawing and you are ready to start coloring. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a black marker and you're going to outline everything that you've drawn. And then you can take an eraser and erase all of your pencil marks, as I have done now. Then you're going to start working on your background. So you're going to pick a base color for your background and you're going to color it in. So I'm just going to finish coloring in my area here. And then you're going to pick another color to put on top of it. I suggest using a lighter color for the background and then the darker color, and a darker color to put on top. So we're going to use these things that are called texture plates. So if you look at it, it's got a ridged texture. You can hear it, how it sounds different. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to put that texture, and there's one on each side, you're going to put that texture underneath your picture. And then what you can actually do is you can color on top of it, and it's going to show that pattern underneath. You can hear my crayon going over it. You don't necessarily have to do it in the whole background, but maybe I'll blend this color up and lighten it a little bit, and then maybe I'll do it a little bit more up here. So maybe I want to do some more patterning up here. And the harder you press with your crayon, the darker that pattern will show. And you want to make sure that your paper doesn't move while you're doing this, because then your pattern's going to keep moving. You don't want that. Lightly color that. So see how I didn't color in the whole way? That's okay. Now I'm going to do it over here a little bit. Maybe I'll do it in the middle because I didn't do it in the middle on the other side. Alright, so you're going to use these in your background. These are called texture plates. And remember, these are not just for you, they're for everyone to share. So if someone wants to use one that you're using, just say that they may and share it. Okay, so they just have to wait. Alright, so that is using a texture plate. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be coloring in our person. So when you are coloring in your person, I want you to make sure that you're using at least 3 colors. So you're going to use a base color for your skin, a darker color, and then a little bit of pink on the cheeks. So you're going to start out by coloring in the base. So you're not pressing really dark, but you're going to make sure you're not pressing very hard on your crayon, but you're going to make sure that you color in that whole area, going back and forth and really paying attention to where you're putting your crayon. Okay. So actually, let me stop here and start a new video after I color this in.